Hi everyone! Keeping your Windows laptop in top condition is essential for smooth performance and longevity. Over time, issues can sneak in unnoticed, leading to costly repairs or replacements. In this video, we'll walk you through 8 essential tips to help you monitor and maintain your laptop's health. These simple steps can prevent system failures and ensure your laptop works efficiently for years to come. We all rely on our Windows laptops for work, study, and entertainment, but just like any other machine, they need a little attention from time to time. Issues like battery failure, overheating, and malfunctioning components can affect performance if not addressed early. Luckily, you don't need to be a tech expert to keep your laptop in great shape. By following these straightforward tips, you can ensure your device remains fast, reliable, and problem-free. First, let's talk about checking your battery health. As time goes on, your laptop battery's ability to hold a charge decreases, which can impact your laptop's performance. If your battery starts to degrade, you might also notice your laptop overheating or malfunctioning. It's important to monitor its health regularly. To do this, you can generate a battery health report. To do so, open PowerShell and type powercfg/battery report, then press Enter. The report will be saved in the location where you can review its details, including charge cycles, capacity, and estimated runtime. Second, check the condition of your SSD or HDD. Storage drives are where your important files live, so ensuring they're working correctly is crucial. A malfunctioning drive can result in data loss and system instability. To monitor your drive's health, use Crystal Disk Info. This tool will let you know whether your drive is in good condition, and it gives you a color-coded system: blue for good, yellow for caution, and red for bad. You can also check the drive's temperature, which is important for preventing overheating. For SSDs, check the terabytes written (TBW) rating to monitor its wear and tear. Third, it's time to check your RAM for issues. Faulty RAM can cause your laptop to freeze, crash, or run slowly. It's a good idea to test your RAM from time to time to avoid any performance hiccups. You can use the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool or run memtest86 for a more thorough scan. Both will check for memory issues, with memtest86 often catching what the Windows tool might miss. Fourth, let's run a test on your computer display. Sometimes visual problems such as dead pixels or color distortions might not be immediately obvious, but they can affect your viewing experience. You can run a screen test through EZO's website to check for issues like dead pixels or color inconsistencies. If any problems show up, it's worth getting the screen checked, either through the manufacturer if it's under warranty or by a technician if it's not. Fifth, assess your cooling system. A well-functioning cooling system is crucial to your laptop's health, especially when it's working hard. Overheating can lead to slowdowns or even permanent damage. To check your laptop's temperature, use tools like HW Monitor to check the CPU and GPU temperatures. If the temperatures are too high, clean the dust from your vents, avoid placing your laptop on soft surfaces like a bed, and consider using a cooling pad. Sixth, run a system diagnostic report. Running a diagnostic test is a great way to uncover issues that might be affecting your laptop's performance. This tool checks everything from your CPU to your RAM and network configuration. To generate the report, search for Performance Monitor, and navigate to Data Collector Sets and go to System, Next System Diagnostics. This will generate a comprehensive report, highlighting areas that need attention or optimization. Seventh, review your laptop's reliability history. Your laptop keeps a log of any issues it encounters, and reviewing this history can provide insights into recurring problems. To access this, type Reliability in the Windows search bar and click on View Reliability History. A stability index will be displayed, helping you gauge whether your laptop is having stability problems. Red crosses indicate errors, while warning signs point to more serious issues. Eighth, make these health checks a routine. While you don't need to do these checks daily, it's good practice to monitor your laptop every couple of weeks. These small efforts will ensure that your laptop remains in top condition and help you address issues before they cause significant damage. By regularly checking these aspects of your laptop's health, you can avoid many common issues that might otherwise lead to costly repairs. Whether it's the battery, storage, RAM, cooling system, or display, addressing problems early can make all the difference. Make these health checks a part of your regular maintenance routine, and you'll enjoy smooth performance for years to come.